Down here to your right, you see a very big square. In a minute, look to your right down there. When we be a bit above the area, you see a very big square. You see the big square down there? This was the supply camp. There was a communication communication tunnel between the supply camp to another camp up there. You see the other camp there? And you might see the ibex below us. You maybe see these ibex. Sometimes we have them here as visitors. Okay, now you can see clear. You see the camp. You see the supply camp down there, and you see the headquarters of the army. See that the headquarters is much nicer than the rest. Then you will see another camp. We have 8 of them surrounding the Masada. The word Masada in Hebrew it's Masada, comes from the word Metsuda. Metsuda means fortress. Guys, see what we are going to do when we finish the tour. We walk all the way down. You like it? Okay, we'll wait for you 1 hour, you walk down. We're not walking down, guys. Look at this. It takes about an hour to walk up, and even more than